Hey, good afternoon, SWAT. How you doing this afternoon? For those who don't know, we are Command, aka just me. This dictatorship has decided to enact a Clockify for timekeeping because I'm kind of sick of our inactivities. Anywho, once you have sent me your email, you will see in your email you are accepted into a Clockify. Now, what you're going to do is going to go into clockify.me and it'll bring you to this login page, right? Continue with Google, and you're going to log in with, whatever email you sent me to use is. So you're going to log in, you're going to see a workspace invite, right? Accept it from UAPD SWAT workspace, right? Then, when you accept it, it's going to throw you into it. You'll see here, you have your workspaces that you can manage here. You have your own workspace and then your SWAT workspace, right? Make sure that your SWAT workspace is your active workspace. You can go here into your time tracker, your calendar, which I will put meetings and stuff up on. You have your dashboard. You have your reports, which you can go up and look at and see how your team's doing. You got your projects. Obviously, if you're a Bravo team, then you're going to be in the Bravo team project. If you're Alpha team, you're going to be the Alpha team project, right? And if you're Command, you're going to be in the Command project. But you can look at your team and see everyone who's in it. As you can see, Strife's already here in Alpha. Obviously, I'm the SWAT lead to my alt. So, the Timekeep, let's say you just got on the server. What you're going to do, you're going to select your project. Us being Bravo team, and then whatever you are. So, Rifleman, right? Then I can start, and then I can just click off this, go back in the game, do whatever I need to do, right? Oh, I can't. But if we come back here, let's say I just got off duty, stop, and then you can see I have an instance here, and then I can go into my projects. And then you can see there's actually time tracked now. Because I did 10 seconds, or about 12 seconds, there's nothing going to be here. I can go into the dashboard, and I can see that Bravo team had 12 seconds on. And you will be able to see like Alpha team and Command from here. But you can go to your summaries, and you can see that you did 12 seconds on the October. And you'll be able to see everyone else is here. So you got your team again. And yes. So this is how you clockify, and this is what I'm going to expect everyone to do when you're on duty. I'm going to put up a minimum hour requirement, being at least 3 hours a week you guys are on SWAT. Obviously, that's just the minimum, and if I'm seeing you guys just reaching the minimum, there's going to be issues. But as for just now, that is how you clockify. You are able to go in here and edit. So let's say, this was actually, I was up for a little more than that. And then you can edit your instance, right? And now there's 59. Don't abuse this. If I find you abusing this, it's going to be administrative issues, and you'll be removed from SWAT if you're just going to commit fraud and shit like that. Anywho, that's how you clockify. Sat made a tutorial. Tut. Yes. So I hope you guys have a good day. Make sure you guys are sending me your emails and stuff, and I'll add you as soon as I can. Thank you.